This is the guts of the home inventory. Let's go to Dad's house, and you'll see you can put all the different rooms of the house, properties, and assets. It will list all the items. This is all generated by AI at this point. You've uploaded the photos into the rooms and press submit, and then you're getting this list of things. Now, let me show you what's cool about having an inventory online. It's not static. You can click on a column and resort alphabetically, top to bottom, bottom to top. You can pull up by room and say, I just want to see what's in the kitchen. You could say, you know what, I want to look at all the furniture in the entire house, and you could pull up furniture. And so this is a very flexible tool. Distribution destinations. You can decide whether to keep, sell, donate. If you want to add your own destinations like master bedroom, living room of the new house, put new living room, new master bedroom. If you want to use it for estate planning, put the heirs' names here and add destination. You'll be able to designate what you bequeath to certain people, create a report, and even put in the details, the reasons why you're leaving it to them, and create those reports and make them part of your will or trust. So there's many, many functional tools that you get when you offer someone this new AI-generated home inventory. Let me show you the other thing, like search. Let's just look for a blender in the kitchen. Okay, here's white Vitamix blender. You click on the details, you'll see it appears to be worth approximately 150. And this is, we found these values to not be that reliable from AI at this point, but this one looks to be pretty reliable. You can click on the photo to see a larger version of it. When you go into edit on that, you can see that we also provide a link to similar items sold on eBay recently. And that's why this one does look reasonable, because you can see actually the same items that have sold recently on eBay for similar prices. So a lot of functional tools. And let me show you how your client, or even you, if you're helping them do it, you can invite as many people as you need to make decisions about the inventory. Do you need to invite, oh gosh, an estate sales company to log in and tell you whether there's enough here for an estate sale? Do you need to let your nieces and nephews that live in California see what is about to be sold or donated so they can say whether they want anything? You can invite them as observers. You can invite them to, log in and give you feedback on what's wanted. Let's go to the reports area. This is one of the cool things too, also in your brand. Let me show you. You can do Excel reports, or you can do by category, but let's just click on the web page report. This is the one that you can include photos. I'm going to include this size photo, and you can see again, here's your brand, Dividing Things Law Firm, placeholder, compliments of, you're providing this family, this account with this free tool that has these robust reports. This report can actually be used as a guide. You can print it as a way to know what to move. This can actually become the price list for an estate sale. So it's a very amazing new tool in your toolbox to help you and your clients and to add value to what you bring to them as a client. So hope you enjoy it, and let us know how we can make it even better. Thank you.